Hi, and welcome to Kayser Farms. We farm near Alexandria, South Dakota. We farm grain crops in soybeans and corn. In this video, you see soybeans getting dumped into the back of a semi. The semi gets loaded and then is hauled to the nearest town to be dumped at an elevator. A combine roughly holds 375 bushels of soybeans. Soybeans weigh 60 pounds per bushel. So how many pounds are on the combine? Over 60% of the soybeans produced in South Dakota are shipped by rail to the Pacific Northwest of the United States and then put on cargo ships to be transported to Asia. Here you will see our combine dumping grain into the grain cart. The grain cart then drives over to the semi and dumps its load into the semi, filling the semi to be taken to the elevator in town, where it is dumped onto a train and rail headed to the Pacific Northwest. The grain cart can hold 84,000 pounds. Knowing that soybeans weigh 60 pounds per bushel, how many bushels can the grain cart hold? Soybeans are used for animal feed and crushed to make oil, to be found in many products that are common in your household. Some of the products that soy is found include crackers, infant formula, chewing gum, and many other household items. We look forward to showing you what's happening on our farm next month as we meet again.